Female, 29, homemaker. I enjoy having lunch with friends once or twice a week. They are all women who live in the same town and have young children like me. After I graduated from college, I worked for a big company and enjoyed it very much. But when I gave birth to my daughter, I decided to be a full-time mother until she was old enough. Being a mother is sometimes hard. I often felt lonely and depressed, as many young mothers do. Then I got to know some women who had young children and made friends with them. Their friends became my friends too. Now we usually go to a family restaurant and have casual chats. Through these chats, I can feel that we all share similar problems. That helps me a lot.